Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne, and dry skin. I'm going to be sharing with you my current skincare routine, as well as body routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is cleansing, and I'm using this cleanser for acne prone skin, but I love it because it is super moisturizing. If you don't have acne, you can go ahead and use a regular moisturizing cleanser. This foaming cleanser is great because it clears clogged follicles and it smooths away any dullness that I may have on my skin. And I'm a huge fan of Dermalogica. I have really sensitive skin, so it's only a few skincare brands that I know that will work for me. So I try to stick to those few brands. The next thing I'm going to be doing is exfoliating my skin. And exfoliating is essential if you have dry skin or if you have flaky skin. What that does is it gets all of the dead skin off of your face. So I like to use this daily exfoliant by Dermalogica, and I like it because it is gentle enough to use daily, and I never really knew how often I should exfoliate my face. So I finally found a product that I can use daily, and I knew that I wouldn't have any problems. And if you have hyperpigmentation, it's super important for you to exfoliate your skin to get rid of those dead skin cells. So moving on to the body, I also suffer from body acne as well sometimes, and a few people wanted me to do an updated routine, what I do for my body acne. So I just came out with our body collection, and we have our ultimate exfoliating body scrub and our ultimate hydrating body wash. So our body wash is absolutely amazing. It's extremely hydrating. It has ingredients such as argan oil and aloe vera, and it has a lavender vanilla scent. So when I say it's super relaxing, it just feels so luxurious every time I use this body wash. So I'm super happy with the way it turned out. So like you see here, I just basically will squeeze some into a loofah and then rub it all over my entire body. And it does a really good job at lathering up and cleansing my body without leaving it really dry, because I do have dry skin. So I often would find that body washes that I would use in the past would be very drying on my skin and leave it really ashy. But now moving on to our new ultimate exfoliating body wash. Alright, so our body scrub is 100% natural. It's made with ingredients such as raw cane sugar, sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, and jojoba oil. So basically I just take a little small amount, about a pinch full, rub it into my hands, and then rub it to my damp body. So it's really gentle, it's not abrasive or anything like that. Like I said, it's all natural. So it reduces toxins and impurities. It helps with any type of body acne. It combats cellulite, and it is extremely moisturizing. So if you don't exfoliate your body, I think this is a step that you should definitely add to your skincare body routine, just because in the cooler months your body can be extremely dry and ashy, and you need to exfoliate your body as well as exfoliating your face. So after that, I go ahead and rinse everything off and go ahead and hop out of the shower. Now it's time for me to tone my skin. As a toner, I'm going to be using the It's Skin Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Toner. And hyaluronic acid is an amazing moisturizer. It lies between the skin's elastin and collagen to help create natural moisture particles. 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 liters of water. So it's super great at moisture retention for the skin. So it seals in the moisture, prevents peeling skin, and balances any oil and moisture levels. Now this stuff is super thick for a toner, but it actually goes on really lightweight and seeps into the skin nicely. The next toner I like to use is their Collagen Nutrition Toner. And this toner is also very moisturizing. It's supposed to be helpful with preventing wrinkles. It's a very calming toner, and it also helps to balance the pH levels and help with the uneven skin tone. last step is to put on my healing ointment, and this is by CeraVe, and I by far think that this is the main reason that my skin repaired itself so quickly, and it's just a lot nicer than it has been in the past. You guys know I've been using this stuff for years. So it goes on super greasy, but you want to just lather this stuff on so when you wake up in the morning, your skin is just going to look amazing. Like, if you haven't tried this step or your last step in your skin routine, definitely try it and let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Okay, so that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time.